We were talking about building a creator space for creators to use tablets and stuff. So let's just to update that. On the weekend, I was working on getting that done. It's a lot. It's more than I thought it was going to be. Implementing it's going to be a task. But I figured in a couple weeks, I'll have that portion of the site up. So what I'm going to do is put it on the website and have it up there. We'll link that in the Discord as well. If you want to join the Discord, link in the description. But we'll link that in Discord as well. I'm going to update the Discord and update you guys on live over the next couple of weeks as I go to try to get this thing fixed up and ready to work for everyone. So we'll figure that out. But if you guys have any suggestions, throw it in the Discord, throw it in the comments. And like I said, with the creator space, we're just finding a way to get creators who aren't necessarily into certain devices, but they would try it if they had it. Get those creators certain devices so they can give their opinion and add perspective and some nuance to the conversation about said device. So I think that's very cool. Aaron says nobody wants to test the Moby Scribe, but I have one to send to you for someone to try out. Well, that's the thing, Aaron. I appreciate that. And Aaron's talking about the creator space that I'm trying to put together. We've got a Penstar right now. We have the Moby Scribe if you're going to send that to be sent out. We also have the Penstar, the Moby Scribe. eInk was talking about the tab one of our devices. We get the Tab Mini C that we're going to put into the mix. eInk was going to donate a device. I'm not sure which one she was donating. I think the Note Air 3C. So that's, we got about 4 or 5 devices right now that we can add into the mix. I'm trying to get a few more devices added into that right now. So in the next couple of weeks, while I get this set up, we should have a good list, half a dozen devices at least, to have into the mix. And that's going to do a lot of creators some good, especially if, again, like I said, a lot of people just don't want to spend the money on getting some devices that they think they're not going to like, and they may end up not liking it. So this is a good way to get those people's opinions on these things. I think that's going to be great.